Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Nice to see you again.
Today we're going to talk about the sport facilities on campus. Have you ever used any of the sport facilities in Gwanak campus?
Of course I have, but I only know the location of some of the tennis courts and gyms. I think there are more facilities on campus that I know.
Yes, as you know, Gwanak campus is quite large, so it's difficult to know every corner of the campus. Actually, I even got to know all about the sport facilities while I prepared for this video.
You've been in college for 3 years and now you got to know all of them? There must be a lot of students who don't know yet.
Yes, absolutely. We'll also cover how to reserve sport facilities. So let's find out a way to stay fit.
But don't forget to wear a mask.
Then let's start with the gymnasium. Keep in mind that the operating hours could be changed according to the COVID-19 responses.
This building is so close to the OIA building that you can't miss it. The gymnasium, Sports Education and Research Building are managed by the Department of Physical Education.
You can use indoor courts for playing basketball, badminton, handball, and volleyball. Students can also use fitness center, dancing room, taekwondo studio, and boxing gym. The Posco Sports Center also provides great facilities. It is located right next to the gymnasium. You can apply for fitness programs like swimming, squash, and golf classes. These sport programs are only offered to SNU members. Students can apply for a sports program at a lower price than faculties and alumni. Also, the operating hours can be changed to the COVID-19 pandemic. Check the website link below.
Fitness centers can also be found in the dormitory area. First of all, the gymnasium is located on the second floor of the Gwanak residence halls. In addition, you can find the S Fitness Center on the first floor of the same building. If you know where the GS25 is, you won't miss it. The Gwanak Residence Halls Fitness Center is in building number 919 and 920. The 919 Fitness Center is only accessible to dormitory residents. The 920 CrossFit Center is accessible to SNU members.
Lastly, the Global Students Residence Halls also have a fitness center. They currently don't offer sports programs like yoga, CrossFit, etc. due to the COVID-19. For further information about reopening schedules and running hours, please contact Global Students Residence Halls.
Wow, there are 4 fitness centers in the dormitory area alone. There are more fitness centers on the other side of the campus.
Phew, okay. Let's go to the College of Engineering. In building number 39 and building number 300, there are fitness centers where you can use aerobic exercise and weight training equipment.
Lastly, the College of Natural Science also has a fitness center in building number 501.
Now, let's talk about the outdoor facilities. First, the main stadium. It is located right next to the OIA and the College of Business Administration. If you like to play tennis, you must know where the tennis courts are. There is one next to the Graduate School of Public Administration and another one at the College of Engineering.
Also, you can find the Futsal Court and the Basketball Court around the Residence Hall intersection near the dormitory. Next to the Gwanak Residence Halls, there is a soccer field. If you want to use it, visit the Gwanak Residence Hall's website and check out the fee. Lastly, there is an auxiliary field in front of the gymnasium. It is usually used for baseball games or archery classes.
Finally, we've covered all the sport facilities on campus.
Yes, but just in case, if any of you find out something missing, please leave a comment below.
Now, shall we make a reservation for the gym?
Alright, I'd like to play tennis this weekend. How can I reserve the tennis court?
Go to the website of the Center for Sport Development and Promotion. In this site, you can reserve almost every facility on campus, including the main stadium, the gym, and the tennis courts. If you want to reserve one of the Gwanak Residence Hall's facilities, go to snudorm.snu.ac.kr.
I see. I know that the Posco Center has their own website. On this website, we can get information on how to register and pay for sports courses.
Then let's book the tennis court now.
Alright. Wow, that's a lot of choices. How many courts do they have?
14. You may not be able to reserve if the court is taken. The red icon, Bldg, means you cannot reserve. We have to find the green icon with 예약하는. Let me log in with my SNU ID.
It says that one reservation is up to 120 minutes maximum.
Yes, we can check the reservation status made by others. Okay, we need at least 2 people to reserve. And here we're going to enter our personal information including name, student ID, phone number, and department. Next, click the gray Incheon button, the verification button. Once you click the button, Incheon.com comes up, which is the confirmation for verification. Check the rules and regulations for using the sport facilities and privacy policies. When you check all the checkboxes and press 예약 신청 button, the registration button, you can use the tennis court. So, we have learned about the sport facilities on campus and how to reserve them. What do you think about that?
It was so helpful. Now I can reserve sports fields on my own.
I'm thinking about applying for a yoga program next time.
Great idea, but don't forget to check the program schedules on the website.
Yeah, because of the COVID-19, we have to check the program hours frequently.
Exercising is very important. Hope this video helps you stay fit and healthy.
The information on websites are written below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope to see you again.
Bye.